you can be consistent, and to be consistent you can plan out your things and schedule your post on social media platforms. Hi, this is Manisha Jain. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the last one of my video, I talked about 5 practical ways to grow your social media account if you are a small business owner. And in that video, I talked about how to be consistent and how to schedule your post if you are a one-man army and if you don't have a team. If you have not watched this video, then please do watch it. I have mentioned the link to the video in the description box. This is one of the first point which I shared in that video, that you can be consistent, and to be consistent you can plan out your things and schedule your post on social media platforms. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to schedule your social media posts on Facebook and Instagram through Facebook Business Suite. As I always say, first thing first, and to start with Facebook Business Suite, your first requirement is to have your Facebook business page, not Facebook profile. You should have Facebook business page. And the second requirement is, on Instagram, you should have Instagram business page or Instagram creator account. सो मेक श्योर आप दोनों पॉइंट्स पे टिक कर रहे हो, फेसबुक बिजनेस पेज पे भी और इंस्टाग्राम क्रिएटर या बिजनेस अकाउंट पे भी. एंड इनमें से आपके पास कोई भी नहीं है, इफ यू आर नॉट टेकिंग एनी, प्लीज कन्वर्ट योर अकाउंट. सो विदाउट एनी वेस्टिंग टाइम, लेट्स गेट इनटू द प्रोसेस हाउ टू शेड्यूल योर पोस्ट ऑन फेसबुक एंड इंस्टाग्राम थ्रू फेसबुक बिजनेस स्वीट.
To start, log in into your Facebook account. From the left menu, go to pages, where you will see the accounts and pages you are connected to with your Facebook account. Then select the page you want to schedule your post on. As you will select your page, it will take you to your page, and your page will look something like this, where you will find two options: create post in Facebook Suite and create post in Facebook. If you want to share something immediately, then select to create post in Facebook. And if you want to schedule your post, then select to create post in the Facebook Suite. Here we will choose create post in Facebook Suite. If your Instagram and Facebook are linked together, then it will look something like this. Else you first need to link both your Facebook business page or Instagram business account to schedule your post on both platforms. Choose create post, select platforms. Choosing platform is very important. If you want to post the same thing on both platforms at the same time, then choose both the platforms. But if you want to post the same thing on both platforms but at different timings, then choose only one platform. Enter your caption in text, add your media. Media is important if you are posting on Instagram, as Instagram is the only platform for visuals. Add your location, which is optional, but yes, you can add it. It will help you in getting more reach and traffic. After choosing a platform, writing a caption and adding photos, you will see a blue publish now button in the left corner of the tab, along with a small box of arrow. Click on the arrow and select schedule post. Now choose your date and time and click save, and then click on schedule post, and it's done. So that is all from my end, and I hope you have a new learning from this video, and I hope you found this easy. मैंने अपना best try करा कि मैं इसको easy बना सकूँ आप लोगों के लिए, and I hope I have done it. And if you have any questions or doubts regarding it, then please feel free to contact me in the comment section or through Instagram. I would be happy to help you. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, please do take care of yourself. Bye bye.